The vacillation of Himachal Pradesh government in enacting a law to regulate fees of private school in the state is causing discontent among thousands of parents sending their wards in private schools. The parents are feeling somewhat disappointed now as the state government has failed to rein in managements of private schools from increasing fees and demanding annual charges. It is true, private schools have invested money to establish these institutions and many are providing quality education. But with growing craze for private schools, managements of many schools have turned the institution into money-making machines and becoming unreasonable in charging fees which parents have been paying through the nose. Upset over frequent increase in tuition fees, transportation and annual charges, besides forcing parents to buy books and schools uniforms from particular shops, the parents have been urging the state government to regulate private schools and check their high-handedness.
की मनमानी नहीं चलेगी, नहीं चलेगी, नहीं चलेगी। देना स्कूल की मनमानी नहीं चलेगी, नहीं चलेगी, नहीं चलेगी। देना स्कूल में 55% फीस वृद्धि नहीं चलेगी, नहीं चलेगी, नहीं चलेगी। देना स्कूल में 55% ट्यूशन फीस में वृद्धि नहीं चलेगी, नहीं चलेगी, नहीं चलेगी। स्कूलों की लूट पर रोक लगाओ, रोक लगाओ, रोक लगाओ। स्कूलों के लिए कानून बनाना।
The parents raising their voice in this regard have formed Chhatra Abhivavak Sangh to take up their grievances with the school managements and the state government. They have been demanding regulation of private schools by enacting legislation. After the spread of COVID-19 pandemic, schools are closed for quite long and teaching is being done through online classes. During the lockdown, the state government had issued strict instructions to all private schools affiliated to HP Board of School Education and those affiliated with CBSE and ICSE boards to charge only tuition fee in a staggered manner to give relief to parents in the wake of economic hardships. The school managements were also directed not to announce tuition fee and other charges. Chhatra Abhivavak Sangh has been demanding implementation of the state government's circular in this regard and has accused several schools for announcing fees and forcing parents to pay full charges. A parent, Lalit Kumar, says, despite state government's direction to charge only tuition fee, school managements have been pressurizing parents to deposit annual charges. The main reason for defiance of government orders is absence of a regulatory body to control the private schools. The state government has been promising to bring legislation for a long time. The managements of private schools contend those schools are closed, they are providing online education and have to pay salaries to teachers and meet expenses. Principal of a private school tells, many institutions have raised loans from the banks and are now hard-pressed to pay installments. Convener of Chhatra Abhivavak Sangh and CITU leader Vijendra Mehra says, all private schools are registered under 8060 Societies Act, which debars profiteering, and state government is in a way helping the school managements by delaying legislation. He demands implementation of government order and enacting a law.
छात्र अभिभावक मंच ने शिक्षा निदेशालय ने जो दयानंद पब्लिक स्कूल के संदर्भ में अधिसूचना जारी की है उसका स्वागत किया है और ये मांग की है कि ये अधिसूचना जो हिमाचल प्रदेश के अंदर तमाम निजी स्कूल है उसके संदर्भ में निकाली जाए, क्योंकि 5 दिसंबर 2019 को जो शिक्षा निदेशालय ने अधिसूचना जारी की थी उसमें ये साफ तौर पर कहा था कि बगैर जनरल हाउस के कोई भी फीस वृद्धि कोई भी निजी स्कूल नहीं कर पाएगा। लेकिन हुआ क्या कि वर्ष 2020 में भी और वर्ष 2021 में भी लगभग 15% से लेकर जो है 50% तक की फीस वृद्धि जो है विभिन्न निजी स्कूलों ने की है, जिससे अभिभावकों पर एक बहुत ज़्यादा आर्थिक बोझ जो है पड़ा है। तो ये फीस वृद्धि हो नहीं सकती थी सरकार के आदेशानुसार, लेकिन ये सब कुछ किया गया है। तो जो अधिसूचना जारी की है दयानंद स्कूल के संदर्भ में उसको पूरे स्कूलों के संदर्भ में जारी किया जाए। हम फिर कहना चाहते हैं कि जिस तरीके की लूट निजी स्कूल कर रहे हैं, मनमानी कर रहे हैं, ट्यूशन फीस मनमाने तरीके से वसूल रहे हैं, एनुअल चार्जेस को वसूलने के लिए पेरेंट्स पर दबाव बना रहे हैं, जो पेरेंट्स फीस नहीं दे पा रहे हैं उनके बच्चों को ऑनलाइन क्लासेस से बाहर कर रहे हैं, पेरेंट्स को डराया धमकाया जा रहा है, मैसेजेस भेजे जा रहे हैं। तो ये सारी प्रक्रिया पर तुरंत रोक लगनी चाहिए और जो 5 दिसंबर 2019 के जो अधिसूचना है शिक्षा निदेशालय की, वो अधिसूचना अक्षरशः लागू होनी चाहिए, क्योंकि इस अधिसूचना में स्पष्ट तौर पर लिख दिया गया था कि बगैर जनरल हाउस के कोई भी फीस वृद्धि नहीं हो सकती है, जिसको निजी स्कूलों ने पूरी तरह अनदेखा किया है और इस पर जो है कोई भी कार्रवाई जो है नज़र नहीं आती है सरकार की ओर से। तो शिक्षा निदेशक से ये मांग रहेगी कि दयानंद स्कूल की तर्ज पर ही सभी निजी स्कूलों के लिए इस तरीके की अधिसूचना जारी करके, और ना केवल अधिसूचना जारी करके बल्कि उसको हकीकत में लागू करके जो है अभिभावकों को न्याय प्रदान किया जाए और फीस वृद्धि पर अंकुश लगाया जाए।
After much wavering, the state government had initiated a process to pass legislation in the last session of Himachal Pradesh Assembly, but it was shelved at the last moment. Chief Minister Jairam Thakur has said, we would soon bring a legislation to regulate private schools. Meanwhile, there is a relieving news for parents. Recently, the Supreme Court of India has asked private schools to be sensitive to the problems faced by people due to pandemic and should reduce fees as the running costs have come down during the lockdown. But would the private school do so is a big question.